Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Kenyan Sunset Villa highlights distinctive features and versatility of a home in the Caribbean. Each structure embodies a distinct charm, collectively creating an idyllic sanctuary that caters to various lifestyles. Comprised of three separate buildings, the main residence is the centerpiece of the magnificent estate, including timeless pieces with modern functionality. It has a boasting 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, 2 powder rooms, a private office, wine cellar, media room, gym, and the main swimming pool. Adjacent to the main residence is a charming cottage, offering a seamless blend of comfort and intimacy, ideal for hosting visitors or serving as an independent living space. This building features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a cozy living area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a private pool. This Caribbean Heights development sits on 1.66 acres of land and rests between White Witch and the Cinnamon Hill Golf Course, which also shares ground with the internationally known Rosal Great House. This resort-style villa offers the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and endless possibilities. Guys, let's take a look at this villa, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this villa is US $3.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.